Welcome back to our continuing coverage of the 37th hosting of the Nature Valley Classic Birmingham. Two top 20 players. The 5th seed from Germany vying for her 5th season quarter-final and 5th win possibly over a top 20 player in 2018. Julia Goerges, world ranked 13th. Between her and a quarter-final berth is the recent Nottingham champion from Australia, Ashleigh Barty. Well done. Terrific redirection from the Australian there.
15.
She's run this 1-2 sting in her mind so much over the years. Look at that. Superb athleticism, the speed of a sprinter from Ashleigh Barty with tremendous athleticism. Look how wide she was here. Look how far out of the court she is, and deep as well. And she gets over there and makes that with terrific end range control. That is outstanding. Barty with a couple of set point opportunities then at 15-40 on the Goerges serve. It's a big strike in response.
30-14.
That is a superb point from Julia Goerges off a horrible oncoming slice from Barty that stayed so low. Didn't she do well just to dig this out? And this is why Barty wins so many grass court matches. Didn't expect it back. Caught napping at the net there, Goerges. Such is the foot speed of Barty. See it again, look at this. That was kind of awkward. Great reflex there from Goerges, but that a terrific get. Again, the backhand down the line to save Julia Goerges. Terrific play from Julia Goerges. She has been standout on the biggest of moments so far in this opener. Can she drop the hammer here? Oh, Barty didn't even try for it. So remarkably, it's Julia Goerges that pulls away and snatches the opening set, 7-6. That is a wounder for the Australian, a delight for the 5th seed. Break point for Goerges, only her 3rd of the match. Brilliant from the German. And that is the delightful thing about the scoring system in tennis. You can be right under the cosh and then suddenly wriggle out if you play the big points right. And she did beautifully here. Oh, it's perfectly weighted. It found its mark obediently. Loaded up was this topspin forehand lob with oodles of topspin. It's been one of those days, hasn't it, for her? Everything she touches in big point mode is turning to gold. Julia Goerges wriggles past Ashleigh Barty in an extraordinary match in which she fended off multiple set points, oozing mental giant qualities. It's a fifth quarter-final of 2018 for Julia Goerges and a first in Birmingham. 7-6, 6-3, she wins in just over an hour and a half.